So this is how you can create deepfake videos for completely free. So I found this website and it's called vozo.ai. Now, how do we use it and what does it do? Well, as you can see, it says create super realistic face swap videos with ease. Swap faces across genders, skin tones, and ages in just one click. So as you can see, all you have to do is upload a video and upload the face of the other person that you want to swap the video in. So as you can see, it's completely free. Face swap for free. There's a button right here, which will take you to their other side of the website where you have to sign in and then just drop and drag the images and videos that you want to do. So this is a preview of what it does. Let's go on ahead and play it. As you can see, it's going to switch to Elon Musk and then another one and then another one. So as you can see, it's very seamless and it's actually quite perfect. And it looks like it's not even like AI and it doesn't look edited. It's trusted by 7 million. So let's go ahead and try it. Once you tap on FaceSwap for free, you're going to be asked to sign in or sign up and it's going to bring you here. Now, what you're going to want to do is basically just go on ahead and upload an image and a video. It has to be two separate videos and images because the video, that is what you're going to change. And the image, of course, that is the image of the person you want to change the video of. So let's say person 1 is in the video and person 2 is in the image. What Vozo will do is basically put the face of person 2, which is in the image, into person 1, which is in the video. So now it's going to replace it, and there you have your deepfake video for completely free. So that's pretty much it for this video. Once again, the website is called vozo.ai, and that is how you can get free deepfake videos. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.